I went to the Lindt Dubai chocolate bar debut at the Lindt New York Empire State Shop, and their version of this viral treat blew my mind. The Lindt Dubai chocolate bar is made with a rich, silky smooth Lindt milk chocolate and is filled with pistachio butter, crunchy pastry, and tahini. The ratio of chocolate to filling was perfect, and you can taste the high quality of the ingredients in every last bite. If you couldn't make it, stay tuned for a limited amount of Lindt Dubai chocolate bars coming to other Lindt stores in the US. Be sure to keep an eye on Lindt's social channels and website for more info coming soon.